How to turn Safe Search on Google off. Now, in this video, I'm going to provide you a specific method for you to be able to turn off Google Safe Search. Now, Google Safe Search is actually a specific feature that Google has. This is just to maximize the security of your search results on Google Chrome. Now, first is pull up your Google web browser like so. And then once you get here, you should be able to see three options below. Now just simply choose on settings and then go into search settings. Now from search settings, you should see content. Below that is search personalization and safe search. Now click on safe search and then you will only be having three options here like filter, blur, or off. For you to be able to disable it or turn it off, just simply choose on off and then go all the way back and refresh the page. And that's it. That's how you turn Google Safe Search off.